Okay, so now that we have our hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this Valentine's Day makeup look. I actually did a video on the night one. I felt like not everyone is going to be comfortable wearing that kind of makeup, so I decided to do a day makeup look. So it's February now. It's a month of heart, love, chocolate and flowers. Yes, Valentine's Day is almost here. I don't know about you, but this year seems even bigger and more prominent than ever. For me, that's great news. Okay, so my eyebrows are all done, so getting them to look pretty much the same is a struggle, trust me. But if you want to see an eyebrow tutorial, just let me know down below. So I'm gonna moisturize my face now. I'm gonna use the Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer. I'm just gonna do that quickly. This moisturizer is very hydrating, and now that it's winter here in the UK, my skin tends to be very dried, so just to keep my skin moist and hydrated, I just use a very good moisturizer. So I pretty much use the Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer. For my face, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty 4 Filter Primer. The reason why I'm using this primer today because I will be using the Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is in the shade 420. This is not my shade. When I went to get my foundation matched, so I was matched for 420, and apparently that's not my shade. Even during the summer, it wasn't my shade at all. So the girl I met at the counter, she matched me for 420 because they ran out of 410. So 410 wasn't in stock, so she had to give me 420, and she said I could go with 420. But at first, yeah, when I apply it, it looks really good, but later on it dries a shade darker. I'm just gonna use the foundation, but I'm gonna balance it out with my face powder. Shake it properly first before applying it. So I'm just gonna use like 3 pumps. I'm just gonna apply the foundation with the Morphe E8 brush. So that 3 pump didn't cover my face, so I'm just gonna apply about 1 to 2 pumps. This foundation feels like skin and it's beautiful. It doesn't really have any smell to it, which I really like, compared to other foundations like the Huda Beauty, that the smell is but when the Huda Beauty dries down, you don't tend to perceive the smell, but the Fenty one doesn't have any smell. It's quite runny, but it's full coverage at the same time, so I really like that. When you're working with this kind of foundation, you need to be very fast in blending. So now that we have our foundation on, I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Conceal to highlight my face. I'm going to use my face and body sponge to blend out the concealer, and this is by Real Techniques. I'm gonna set my under eyes with the W7 banana powder. So let it sit for a minute, I'll be right back. Now I'm going to use the Mineralized Skin Finish in dark to powder my face and also take off the setting powder. I'm just gonna bronze my face with the Sun-Kissed Sculpting Glow powder. Contouring my Solid bronzer. For blush, I'm using the Sleek Blush in Flushed. So for highlight, I'm using the Artist Couture highlighter in Sugar Daddy. If I can just, if I'm able to just open this thing up. It's so freaking hard. It's just a loose highlighter. Oh my goodness. What in the world? Oh Lord. Ah! You kidding me right now? Oh Lord. I just need, oh my goodness. Are you kidding me right now? No matter how much highlighter you put, it's just not gonna be like everywhere. I think I just found a new go-to highlight. This is freaking bomb. This is a go-to highlight, like it goes with everything. I think some just went on my lips. It's alright, we'll wing it. Okay, so now the base is all done. I'm just gonna move on to my eyes. So with my E40 by Sigma, I'm just gonna take Sidekick by Makeup Geek, and I'm just gonna apply that as my transition color. I'm just gonna take this color right here. This is Early Bird by Makeup Geek. I'm just gonna apply this color just above, just to give a hint of that tangerine kind of color. I'm just gonna go back again with that same Sidekick color and just apply that again in my crease. So I'm just gonna cut my crease using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I just set the concealer with our CMA powder. I'm gonna take this color. This is Cosmopolitan by Makeup Geek. I'm just gonna use that as my lid color. So after that, I'm just gonna apply Cabin Fever. This color right here. I'm just gonna apply this the outer V just to give my eyes a little bit of a definition, and I'm gonna be blending that in with the Sigma E25 brush. So now I'm just gonna apply some wispy lashes and I'll be right back. So now that my lashes are on, I'm just gonna apply Early Bird and Sidekick underneath my lower lash line. I'm gonna apply Sidekick now. I'm gonna set my face now with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mix. So for my lips, I'm just gonna apply the Dior lipstick in Nude Fever. I'm just gonna apply the same eyeshadow on my lid in my inner corners, guys. So this is the final look. I hope you like it. I really loved how it came out. This is very subtle for a day look. So yeah, that's pretty much the look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.